people can work in pairs.
Obey your car, Mama. Into our mom.
What is this?
Brian side. No, fine. How is it?
We have another surprise for you.
Let's go. Hey!
So, Prophet Eric.
All right, Tracy.
I promise you.
All right, guys. Today is a birthday, and I want us to pray for her. When you read the Bible speaks in Matthew chapter 2, the verse number 11. Abra, Jesus Christ. Bible said, and worship him. We are saying a prayer that a free neko, Radiman Nipa and worship him. Amen. Radiman Nipa and Yanadoye. Amen. A free and Nayan wood day, a free and neko ya. A Rade and friend Nipa free a puye, a trier and a four. Now, Yanadoye. Amen. You can't do anything without Nipa. Dear friend Nipa, Papa, Nipa Titre, on the presidency, on the Petitre, what we are all over the world, and Shia. Now, I'm not going to be another person. It's a day of your.
Happy birthday, Tracy. God bless you. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.